If you want a flexible, modern way to build beautiful layouts on Squarespace 7.1, then Fluid Engine is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fluid Engine step by step so you can create custom sections, place blocks anywhere you want, and design pages that look much more polished and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your page editor and click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the editing view where you can start customizing your page. Once you're in the editor, hover over the page until you see the option to add a new section. Then, click Add Section. Squarespace will give you a few layout choices here, and if you want the easiest path, you can choose a template or simply click Add a Blank Section. Blank sections automatically default to Fluid Engine, which is great because it gives you full control over your layout. Now that your section is added, you'll notice the Fluid Engine workspace. This is where the magic happens. Think of it like a flexible grid that lets you position content more precisely than a standard layout. To start adding content, click Add Block in the top left corner of the section. From there, you can choose the type of block you want to insert, such as a text block, image block, or button block. Each block serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits the section you're building. After you add a block, click and drag it anywhere inside the section. As you move it around, you'll see an invisible cell grid light up underneath it. That grid is your positioning guide, and it helps you line up elements neatly without guessing. This makes it much easier to build balanced layouts, especially if you want your design to feel clean and intentional. You can place text, images, and buttons in different areas of the same section instead of stacking everything in a single column. Next, if you want to resize a block, click on it to reveal the transform handles. These are the adjustment points that appear around the element. Click and drag those handles to expand or shrink the block until it fits your layout the way you want. This is really useful for making a headline bigger, giving an image more space, or adjusting a button so it feels more visually important on the page. Take your time here and experiment, because Fluid Engine is all about creative freedom. One of the best features of Fluid Engine is that you can overlap items. That means you can drag an image directly underneath a text box or place a button over a colored background block for a more layered design. This opens up a lot of styling options and lets you create sections that feel more custom and dynamic. If you've ever wanted your Squarespace site to look less like a basic template and more like a custom-built design, this feature is a game changer. As you work, remember that small adjustments can make a big difference. Move blocks around, resize them, and test different placements until the section feels right. Try to keep spacing clean and make sure your important content stands out. If you're building a homepage, service section, or call to action area, Fluid Engine gives you the flexibility to make it look exactly how you want. So to recap, you open the editor, add a section, choose Fluid Engine for a blank section or template, insert your blocks, drag them into place, resize them with the handles, and even overlap elements for a more advanced design. Once you get comfortable with these basics, you'll be able to build much more polished Squarespace pages with confidence. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.